I'm here in front of one of the original Pioneer Chickens, one of 2 remaining. They've been open since 1961, man. This is an LA classic. If you guys know Pioneer Chicken, they're doing it right here. We're about to go check them out. Look at this. All right, man, look at this piece that we have right here. We got the 8-piece chicken right here. Look at all those pieces. I got a few different sides right here. I got the mashed potatoes. Got the mashed potatoes, some coleslaw. Gotta get the rice. Look at that. Look at that color. And of course, the biscuits. I think also unique about this place, they've been around since 1961. Not many places do this anymore. The orange bang. You don't see this very often. Gotta get that Louisiana sauce right here. But first, look at this. Look at that piece. Is that not a perfect piece of chicken? Let's take a bite. Perfect golden color right there. Nice and crispy, juicy on the inside. Man, they're using the original recipe. So if you guys remember Pioneer Chicken from years ago, it's the original recipe. Damn, so good. Like, that crunch. That difference right there. It's that wet batter. You get that buttermilk biscuit.
Yeah, thank you.
Freshly baked, it's still nice and soft. Bam. Nice and flaky. I'm gonna put a little bit of honey on here. A little bit of hot sauce. Get that perfect bite. That's a perfect bite right there. Also, one of my favorites, if you guys don't know about this right here, the fried fish. Woo! Good little tartar sauce. I just listen how crispy that is. Perfect batter. Get a little tartar sauce on there. I hit it with the Louisiana sauce. So flaky. This right here is one of the sleepers, that's for sure. The fried fish, wow. Let's try some of these sides. You got to get that famous yellow rice. Woo. Look at this. Look at that golden color right there. It's got a little bit of a kick to it too. Great seasoning in there. Man, this right here is a must order. Do not skip this. Of course, you got to get the mashed potatoes. A little bit of gravy. Mashed potatoes, a little bit of gravy. Let's see. Right there. Oh, just like I remember it. So buttery, creamy. The gravy is perfect, nice and light, goes perfect with the potatoes. Actually, what I need to do Let's dip a little, see how it tastes with this gravy right here. That's the move right there. Get a little mashed potatoes. Still crispy. That gravy with the mashed potatoes mixed in, that was like the perfect bite. Now, gotta try some of the coleslaw. Go with the classics. Get the rice, the mashed potatoes so far. Let's see. A little tangy, a little creamy, not too much mayo or whatever they put inside there, which I love. I hate it when they drench it. This is perfect. Nice little crunch. Pioneer chicken. Pioneer chicken, Boyle Heights. One of only 2 remaining. Guys, if you haven't been here in years, you got to come check it out. They're doing some great fried chicken, a fried fish, all the sides. Delicious. Thanks a lot.